I've got this subject ready, or at least ready enough to get it published. So I'm going to click on unpublished and select published. And now I get to see my entire subject laid out for me on screen. All the topics, all the tests, and check it out. I've got the statuses over here on the right-hand side. I told you that these are going to work some magic for us, right? Here's how. On the bottom, we've got two options for publishing. I've got publish as is or finish all and publish. If I click publish as is, Trainual's going to look at this subject and go, well, look, these first two topics, these are finished. These are ready to go. These next two topics, they're pending, not ready. And these are draft, totally not ready. So I'm only going to publish out the finished content. That's right. You can fly this plane while you are still building it. So that gets published out. And when these are ready, you just change the status to finished, and then that will get published out. Awesome stuff. Okay. What if you're like, no, you know what? I've got this all done. I just haven't actually changed the statuses to finished. Totally cool. Just click on finish all and publish, and that will mark everything finished, publish it out, and you are good to go. Now, I've got a pro tip for you. Let's get real, okay? Look, there is a tendency to want to wait until everything is in there, that everything is perfect, that everything looks amazing. Don't do that. When content is ready enough, publish it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm clicking finish all and publish. There it is, published, ready to go. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Now, if you really want to master Trainual, check out Trainual University in the link below.